Hi there. Hey, welcome back to another BobBlast. I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is all about the importance of a sketchbook and what it's used for. You saw me here starting off right here in my sketchbook. The sketchbook is a great tool to have. You know, you can get all the things out of your head. I do it for writing, I do my drawings, as you can see right here. Drawings, sketching, when I'm on location, using colored pencils. I use my sketchbook basically as my toolbox of all my ideas. That way I don't have to keep it all up in here. Not that much left anyway. And so it's one of the best parts about a sketchbook is going back to old sketchbooks and looking at all the ideas that you had before. So, oh, that was a good idea. I also use my sketchbook as a scrapbook. All the ideas that I had before, some ideas of paintings I've done before too. I mean, I really use this sketchbook. I have about 100 of them. The best part is make sure they're all spiral bound. That's kind of a nice thing to do too, right? So you can fold it back on yourself. And also on the cover, make sure you paint on the covers. That way you know it's yours. Otherwise they all look the same. Hey, let me get started and show you the other things. So after 25 years of painting, look at all these sketchbooks, at least some of them anyway, different sizes. Really important that you get them to be spiral bound, you know, so it's easy to open up on itself, right? And do some sketches. The other good thing about sketchbooks is that make sure that the paper is really good. Look, here's an old one, probably about 25 years old. Look at my sketches, watercolors, scraping and scratching. I like some of my early ideas. Writing all my notes. Good paper, experimentation. Over here, look at this, Cheap Joe's American Journeys paper. I love it because it takes a beating. But really good paper. But writing, good for writing with my pencils. I even do paintings because it's really good paper. That's the American Journey sketches, sketch paper, spiral bound. And again, paint on the cover. That way you know it's yours. Write notes. Now here's one that's completely falling apart, but it's really old, but I love it. And I use it more like a scrapbook. So as you can see, we've got drawings in here, photographs, some of my early paintings, some of my drawings, just as reminders. So it's a scrapbook. Lots of loose pieces of paper. These are the things that I use all the time. Oh my gosh, here's a brand new one. Whoa, look, even on the inside, I started drawing and sketching. This is something new for me, kind of a tan paper. I like it. I'm doing these little sketches. It's kind of a nice way of just simmering down, and now here come my notes. I can't stop writing. Alrighty, get a sketchbook and have many of them. Now, behind me, you'll see all the paintings that actually result from all this sketching all the time. You've got to do this, got to draw all your ideas, and then when it comes time to actually do the paintings, these are some of the ones from my workshop. You'll be able to know how to get the colors, the design, the figurative pieces, all the abstract. Welcome to one of my workshops. We do everything. You're going to learn and paint a lot in a Bob Burridge workshop. Hey, thanks for watching this one. I hope you have your sketchbooks out and write some more notes to yourself. And it's for your eyes only. Don't let anybody read your sketchbooks. It's your private space. Hey, I'll see you on the next BobBlast. Thanks for watching. Take care. Hi there, I'm Bob Burridge, and I'm inviting you to my next Riverboat Cruise painting workshop hosted by the Dillman's Resort. Guess where I'm going? Stay tuned. So this exciting riverboat cruise is next spring. Okay, so stay tuned here. And it's from Amsterdam to Belgium, going into the Netherlands. Oh my gosh, all those castles and those historic cities and history. We're gonna be relaxing and painting on location, not heavy duty painting, but light sketching, colorful pencils and things like that. Then back on our boat, small boat. No, it's a small boat, not one of these giant cruise ships, which I love so much. We get personal service. And we're gonna be with all the masterful museums. We're talking Van Gogh, Rembrandt, Vermeer, and all those other wonderful early painters that we love so much. Now we get to go and paint in the tulip fields, the same places they were, and all over the landscapes. We're gonna be doing landscapes and florals, as you see behind me, different styles, but mostly we'll be touring castles, painting in the fields, and go where all the other famous painters have gone before us. Just think, masterpiece, and all in the Netherlands with all those great painters. So I love this boat cruise. It's small. I love it. We did it before, the same boat cruise that we went up in Paris last year. Thank you, Dillmans. You did a great job. So great. We're going to do it again. And a lot of people are starting to sign up because it is an exciting place. I've always wanted to go there and paint. I hope you can join us. Check out the information at the end of this, and I'll see you in the Netherlands. Hi there, and as most of you know, I love drawing the undraped model, especially in my workshops. One of my more popular workshops I just love because I get to draw too. And as you can see, we're doing drawings from charcoal. We use paint, black and white paint, all the way up into colorful paintings with acrylic paint. But painting the undraped model and drawing the undraped model is a great luxury for me. And besides, it just is exciting to have the whole room, everyone's drawing and painting. It's an exciting workshop. You know, I do them here in my own studio and all over the locations, all over the United States and sometimes Europe too. Hey, this is what I love to do. I hope I'll see you in my next undraped model workshop.